let's talk about the letter T. So, when I first got here in this industry, ang sabi kasi ng trainer ko before, pag letter T daw, hindi daw, parang voiceless. And it's kind of true. And I'm gonna explain that later on. But, sabi kasi, in words like, for example, international, hindi daw dapat international. Or hindi daw dapat, what other words do we have? Intercontinental, hindi daw dapat ganon. Fountain, mountain, center, Ateneo, yung mga ganon. So, dapat daw, international, intercontinental, fountain, mountain, Ateneo, ganon. I work in a call center, ganon. Dapat daw, hindi pronounce yung T. And let me explain that. So, sometimes there are consonants kasi na voice and unvoiced. So, yung D, the letter D, D as in dog, no, it's voiced. Kasi when you pronounce the letter D or any words that has a letter D, yung throat mo kasi nagbabibrate. So, for example, door, 'di ba? So ramdam mo yung vibration nung throat mo. Pag letter T kasi, it's voiceless. So sometimes, parang puff lang ng air yung sound na nami-make natin. But, is that true yung sinabi sa akin sa call center nung bago pa lang ako na parang, hoy, dapat hindi siya call center, dapat call center, dapat international, fountain, mountain, mga ganon, di ba? Parang OA naman. That's not true. All right, that is so not true because if you're fond of watching a lot of English movies or even TV series, you would hear Americans would talk and would pronounce the T sound. Tama pa rin yung center, tama pa rin yung international, tama pa rin yung intercontinental, fountain, mountain, center, and that's okay. Why? Ang explanation kasi dyan, it's a matter of regional regional thing kasi yan. Parang, okay, there are places in the US, there are Americans in some regions of the US who would say fountain, mountain, center, international. But there are also Americans, let's say for example in California, there are Americans who would say international, center, right? So both are accepted. So it's a matter of regional thing kasi. So parang sa Pilipinas, di ba? Let's say sa Manila, I can't think of a word off the top of my head. Let's say tubig, di ba? Sa Manila, sa mga taga Manila, pag pronounce nila yung tubig, it's too big. Medyo matigas yung U. Pero, when you go to the Visayas region, hindi siya too big. Sometimes it's tobig, right? But both are accepted, di ba? Yun lang naman yung explanation behind that. And we'll give you some more tips as we go along. Just follow my video and I'll give you some more tips. Thank you for watching.